Hello everybody, welcome back again for another Too Many Freaking Crafts with me, your host, Ruth, Random Ruth, however you want to call me. I am working mostly alone today because we're distracted watching Jurassic Park.
Wow!
Yeah, in case this is your first video you're watching, you probably should go back. This is one of very many Rainbow Brite custom Funko Pop videos that I am doing. But to pick up from where we were last week, last time we worked on our little friend here. This is going to be Indigo. Built her off of the body of a Dragon Ball Z character, I forgot her name. But we added the clothes, as you can see, and the boat in the hair, and the big pocket sleeves, little medallion on the front, and everything like that, the belt buckle. So that got done. So we're going to do a little more work done on her, and then we'll be ready to paint, and match that skin tone, which should be interesting. I realize I only have a couple rounds, and you can see, we can tan them, and we can mix them. A little bit of yellow.
Excuse me, a little quiet, please. Thank you. Huh?
Other thing you're working on, Starlight. My son Colin's working with that. We'll see if he wants to come back. But he's gonna have a rainbow wing. So right now we just got the red and the orange, and then we need to continue on. We finished Shy by that already. She's good. We were working on Lala Orange, and just because I can and I enjoy doing this stuff. So what we've added, this was originally Jackie Onassis, the pop. Yes, Lala Orange really has a beret, but we decided just to kind of keep her hat the way it is. I added the little star on it, and we added the extras.
Hello!
And there's Lucy, who's come to show you her big cute face. Oh, hey, knocked it over. Right now they can't see anything but your big cute face. Which, no, I love that big cute face, but come on. Come help me. Lucy loves to come and help me paint. I give her some paints and she has a good old time mixing colors on her plate.
Oh, yellow!
Yellow, okay, she wants yellow.
You know what else is yellow? SpongeBob!
Alright, yellow for Lucy. Okay, what else? What other colors do you want?
Purple.
Purple? Purple. Okay. Here's a purple.
Purple.
Oh, we'll shake it. Gotta shake it up.
Shake things up!
There you go, with purple. What else do you want?
I want papers.
Paintbrush? She wants paintbrush. Okay.
Oh, look at this, Patty. It's my paintbrush.
Let's see. What's a good one for you? There you go. Alright, well, so today we're gonna continue working on Lala Orange. I'm gonna finish up her outfit and her shoes and, you know, fix her face and do some eyelashes, eyebrows, that kind of thing. A little closer with us now so we can get a little more up and personal while we work on this stuff. Yes, That's right, Lucy, that's right.
Please.
What do you need, honey? You changed it? Change your mind? Okay.
What's wrong?
gorgeous hair.
Okay. It's a pair. I think she's done. I think she came out pretty good. Boom! One more down. Okay, now we're moving on to Starlight. Woo! Needs a little bit of work on his main stroke. So we're gonna work on touching up orange and adding yellow. Is Lucy okay? What's wrong? What? Oh, why?
Well, it looks like we're not going to get to Indigo today. Lucy needs some mothering, so we're going to call it for now. And we will see you again next time on Too Many Freaking Crafts.